My name is Christopher Townsell, work in membranes, going on 12 years, started in 2013. What makes Garland Company's culture unique to me is, I would say, first and foremost, family-oriented environment. The fact that we are employee-owned, that's unique because it gives you an even higher sense of pride because you're contributing to something that you helped build.
My name is Ronald Timberlake, and I've been here 2 years. I've been around and I've worked for a lot of companies, and they don't care for their employees like Garland does. And this company has grown in the little 2 years I've been here. I've seen where we were and where we're at now, and I'm just looking forward to growing with the company.
My name is Eric Peña. I've been here 11 years and I just recently got promoted to supervisor. Garland sees their employees as number one. They take care of the employees. And I should know because I've been at the bottom and I'm going towards the top. That's how Garland is.
My name is Antoine Hudson. I've been with Garland for 14 years and I'm a lead man in the shipping department. What I love about Garland is the family atmosphere. I love getting up, coming to work, working with my employees. I love that this company is focused a lot on just coming together and just being good people. I love Spirit Week. Spirit Week is great. We all come together and have fun and have games. It's just a fun atmosphere, and I think it's because of the people. You're gonna come here, you're gonna feel like family, we're gonna accept you as family, and we're gonna all work together to accomplish one goal. You won't be just stuck in one position, and you'll learn many things here. Just pick up as much as you can. Whatever you're trying to do in life, I believe you can do it here at Garland.
Great place to work.